Ted Freeman joins us. Said, good morning. Thank you for joining us. For all those who are assuming that tariff is history after the US federal court ruling, do you think it's too naive to assume that?
Well, this is going to be sent to the appeals court and could end up at the Supreme Court. And the problem with this is that this is going to create a period of uncertainty until this gets resolved further. That's really the big risk here.
So, Fed, how should our viewers look at it? I mean, there is excitement in US markets, at least US futures. The Asian markets are trading with a positive bias ever since the news had hit the wires. Do you think this is something which investors and traders should ignore?
No, this is very significant because we can see from this that this positive sentiment about this announcement is global. It's not just in the US markets. And it shows this kind of uh, depression that it's placed on sentiment that the tariff war and so forth has placed on perceptions around the globe. So no, I think investors have to watch this very closely. This particularly has an impact on the second half of the year in terms of business planning, logistics, imports to the United States, profits, profit margin projections. And so this really puts a wrench into perhaps what importers and manufacturers and retailers were finally getting their arms around.
So, Seth, how do you think the dollar is going to settle in? While, of course, overnight you've seen a uptick coming in after the tariff setback that Trump saw. Not just that, the FOMC minutes have been highlighting uncertainty so many times in their minutes commentary. Where do you think the dollar and the yield trajectory is going to be in the next few days?
Maybe the yield on the long dated bonds treasuries will decline slightly. We're definitely seeing a big shift in the last week. So maybe this will just provide a little sense of relief. But again, all we're doing is extending the uncertainty as opposed to being able to look into the near future and know what the terms are.
Okay, said, really appreciate your time. So glad you could join us and thank you for your valuable inputs. Now, where do we